Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna render out PNGs from 3D Studio Max. That's actually pretty easy to do. All you have to do is hit F10 or click this little teapot right here. That'll bring out the rendering setup. You're gonna click whatever size you want. I suggest this size right here, like I showed in the pictures. Check the save files. Hit files. Name it whatever you want. I call it stand-up poster. Save it as a PNG. Already selected. Hit save. Hit OK, and then just watch the render. Just go do something else because it's gonna probably take about 45 to 30 minutes to render this out, depending on how good your video card is and how much RAM you have. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I go about generating a mask in 3D Studio Max. Anybody can go ahead and do it in Photoshop. However, it's probably going to take about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how long the word is. So what I like to do is create a mask within 3D Studio Max. That way I can save some time and the mask is completely accurate. So what I like to do is select the whole text, right click, convert to editable poly. Now once that's done, click on each individual letter, collapse this, hit polygon or hit the square, it doesn't matter. Click the face, hit detach to object 01, that's fine. You can rename it if you want to a U or whatever. Hit OK. Now you're going to do that for each individual letter. Alright, so let me go ahead and do this right now. Alright, now we're gonna output the mask as a PNG as well, so we can preserve the alpha. So to do that, we're gonna hit H to select by name. Remember what you named your masks, and what I named them were objects. So that's object 1, object 2, object 3, etc. So what I'm gonna do is select the shapes. Don't select the cameras or the lights, or you're gonna mess up the rendering dialog. Hit OK. Right click, hide selection, and there you go. What you have done now is you have hidden the extruded parts of the text, and now we're left with the mask, and that's what we want. So all you have to do now is just go to the rendering setup and just save it again as a PNG. All you have to do though is make sure that you change the name. Don't leave it as stand-up poster or whatever else you named the other part, or you're gonna end up overwriting that file. You don't want to do that, because if you do, you're gonna have to spend 35 to 40 minutes re-rendering the other thing, which is gonna be a hassle and a waste of time. So just hit render and then you'll be set.